breaker is always on. You have your emergency breaker outside, which I will show you. Let's start from here. Let's start from the door. So these are the two emergency breakers you use to control the machine. This one is controlling this one, which is the blast. Why this one is controlling this unit? So if there's any reason you need to off during maintenance, general maintenance, if you off the switch here, off it. When you're done with your maintenance, it's on. So let's go back to the plant now. So basically, open and close, open and close. Our breaker is on 24/7, it doesn't go off. So it will go off the pocket as an emergency, as well as it will go off. And once it goes off, the three line will not show. So this three line simply means the three phases here, line 1, line 2, line 3. If there's any reason one line is failing, one of them, you would see it here. So you're already on the Nigeria standard voltage is 220 to 240. So we are still on the range 236, 231, and 229. Okay, so that is on L1, L2, L3. Simply means line 1, line 2, line 3. Or you can call it phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Then for any reason it's too full. There's a device here controlling it. It's inside, which is this one here. This one. I've done all the settings. So any reason you see this power light not coming up, give us a call. Immediately you on immediately you on your breaker there, or immediately the breaker is on, or immediately your gen is on, this one will start showing.